Unlike most other companies, we not only design and engineer our products, but we also manufacture them here in the United States with the most high-tech machines available anywhere. The fit and finish of our parts are key to their overall performance. Every part we design, engineer, and manufacture is installed on one of our test vehicles before it's released into production to ensure ease of installation, and then fully tested to ensure its overall level of performance on the track or the drag strip. With no sales gimmicks or false advertising claims, we deliver on what we promise, all with the focus that speed really does matter to our customers. Our founder, Gary Orlando, would not have it any other way.